These are my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and one of their coolest feature is the blade lighting. This light that's called blade lighting by Samsung, and it does not turn on by default. It's only on when you either put them back in the case or when you open up the case or close the case. But here's a trick how you can turn these on whenever you're using them. So for that, you would have to press the sides of both of the buds. You have to long press them until both of them turn on. Now you can see on your phone which mode is on. They have 3 different modes. Your phone would give you a notification that your earbud lights are on. I have them on blinking mode. You can see this one is blinking, but I can change the mode to fade in and out. And then there's a third mode called steady, where neither do they fade or neither do they blink. So these are some of the cool features of the Buds 3 Pro. Do like, follow and subscribe if you like my content.